Guess what? We got mail. This one's from Designs. I love Designs. This is one of my favorite products. Let's see what we got. We carry lots of things. We carry Metagenics. We carry Biomatrix, that's our hormones, and Quicksilver. And I love them all, but I really like this product. Let's see what we got. So we got Women's Twice Dailies. And if you're not sure where you should start, they make a great product. So these come in these little pre-packaged little things you can stick in your pocket. So packets you can stick in your pockets, and you don't have to worry about it. So it has your multivitamin. It has your omegas. It's got osteo health, calcium, magnesium, and those things. And then it also has FemGuard, which is for females, and it's an herbal product that helps balance your hormones. But those are all inside of here in a little plastic packet, and you take one in the morning and one at night. Some people just take one, but ideally you want to take them in the morning and the night. And I think that's what this one is too. So we got 2 of those. Oh, and we got some bottles of goodness here. Stellar C. Vitamin C. Everybody needs vitamin C, especially women. Well, I guess men may care too, but Stellar C, we all hear for your immune system, but it's so good for your collagen, and it keeps the wrinkles away.
Collagen, immune,
brightens your skin.
So much good.
Got some more.
Yep. I bet you have lipoic acid, because that's kind of our foundational bottle.
Yep. It is lipoic acid. Lipoic acid is so good for you, but I'll let Trevor tell you why.
The lipoic acid helps with fatty acid oxidation. And because we all eat abundantly and have the ability to eat abundantly, we also stop actually oxidizing our fat. And lipoic acid helps with fatty acid oxidation, plus it is a very good antioxidant.
And if you would like to know why these 3 products would be wonderful for you, call us, make an appointment. We would love to talk to you. We're Integrated Health of Indiana. You can reach us at 812-346-1757.
Thank you for taking this time to look into the health of you and your loved ones. This broadcast does not constitute a doctor-patient relationship. It is intended for educational and entertainment purposes only and is not a replacement or substitute for care. If you are having issues, please seek a qualified professional trained in functional medicine. We would be happy to be of assistance with both in-person and virtual consultations. Thank you.